14-year-old girl goes missing from Brook Avenue. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 14-year-old Roger Jadria King of Kingston 20, who has been missing since Saturday, July 20. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Duane Park police are that at about 7 p.m., the 14-year-old was last seen in the Washington Gardens area in the parish. When last seen, she was wearing a white t-shirt, pink set pants, and a pair of white slippers. She has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Roger Jadria King is being asked to contact the Duane Park Police at 876-933-4280, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.